So, ito po yung ating scheduling system. Course name BSIT, then room 10, date Tuesday. Ang start time po natin is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So, schedule, current schedule room. Yes, I did room 10, day Tuesday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then print to file. Sulat po natin sa file name is Joey. Then save. Click OK. And wait natin. Click po natin yung Joey. Wait. Then open with Notepad. Just one. Wait natin. Loading. The current schedule BSIT room 10, then day Tuesday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ito po yung ating school scheduling system.